Now, I once again seek your attention as I present the school annual report, a comprehensive overview of our school's endeavors and achievements, and a continuous journey of growth that we proudly undertake each year. With the blessings of the Almighty, under the guidance of our school management and the constant support of our dedicated staff and parents, it gives me immense pleasure again to share the significant milestone of our journey of our institution. We are delighted to announce that from the academic session 26-27, our school will be introducing the science stream for senior secondary classes along with the fully equipped physics, chemistry, and biology laboratories. Our school take immense pride in providing cutting edge technology, learning spaces for our students. We have two well equipped computer laboratories, one dedicated to the junior classes and the other one the senior students. Coming to the academics and students' achievements, academic excellence is the cornerstone of our institution. Our students continue to make us proud with their outstanding performances in academics. We take great pride in congratulating our academic toppers for the session 24-25, whose hard work, dedication, and consistency have set new benchmark for others to follow. Moving forward, we are extremely proud to celebrate the achievements of our students in the board examinations, and they have been just now felicitated. I would like to announce their names along with the percentages once again. With extreme pride in my heart, I would like to congratulate a class 10th examination topper, Yashika, with 90.2%. I want all the parents to please give a big round of applause to this meticulous child. Class 12 Commerce Stream, Sandeep Jaiswal with 84.8%, and Class 12 Humanities Group, Abhijit Singh, 85.2. I congratulate all my toppers. We also take this opportunity to recognize and applaud the students who maintained 100% attendance throughout the year 24-25. They have also been awarded, I would again like to take their name, Ahan Ali of 3rd A. My God, such a young child and is coming every day to the school. Marvelous. And Bhavya Arora, student of class 8B with 100% attendance. I think, audience, you can give them another big round of applause and encouragement to them. Coming to the co-curricular activities and celebrations, San Sujan Singh Ji International School, here we believe that education definitely goes beyond the textbooks. Throughout the year 2025, our students participated enthusiastically in a wide range of inter-house competitions, from English, Hindi, calligraphy, spell bee, GK, math and science quizzes, sparking the curiosity, the teamwork, and logical thinking. Beyond competitions, our learners explored the global themes as well, like Africa's wildlife, discovering fascinating facts such as the rare pink dolphins throughout the year. Students also engaged in various workshops and hands-on sessions that enrich their skill, creativity, and overall learning experiences. Moving on to the sports achievements, the academic session 25-26 has been an inspiring year of determination, teamwork, and excellence. In sports, our students have showcased remarkable talent across multiple disciplines and brought laurels to the school. We take great pride celebrating the achievements of our students who participated in the zonal and state level sports events for the academic year 25-26 in different sports like badminton, cricket, football, skating, and karate. And we do give them on a very regular basis coaching in all these different sporting fields. I want all of you to give again a very huge round of applause to all our talented sports achievers. Now, moving on to the proud achievement of the Gurmat written test, the announcement of which was made, Urvashi of class 6B. and secured the first position in the written test organized by Sikh Chetna Mission. Moving on to the Student Council at Sant Sujan Singh International School, we believe in nurturing leadership, responsibility, and teamwork amongst our students. The Student Council plays a vital role in fostering these values. Each year, representatives are selected through a fair and democratic process to form the Student Council and honored with sashes and badges. On behalf of the school, I once again congratulate all our winners in academics, in curricular activities, and in sport.